Here, we want to divide the number 60 into two parts. So that means that we're going to take 60 is some x plus y. So that the product of one part and the square of the other, so that would be x times y squared, is maximum. So let's just call that P for product. That's what we want to maximize. Now, we have a constraint here that tells us what x and y have to be related to each other. So let's solve this for one of the variables. It doesn't matter which we choose. I'm going to say y is equal to 60 minus x. And then I'm going to plug that in here. So we have x times y, which is 60 minus x squared. So now let's take the derivative of that. And I just noticed that, hey, let's just move this to x squared y, just to make this a little easier, because now I can 60x.